Nokia 6.1 Plus, the most awaited phone after its incredible pricing and success in China, is now available globally. It is priced at Rs 15,999 in India. When it thought it was an aggressive pricing, the very next day Pocophone happened. Nokia 6.1 Plus comes with notch display, Snapdragon 636, which makes it as a phone we all waited for. But what about its durability? Let's find out. At front we have 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at 6 and sapphire at 8 or 9. Screen scratches at level 6 and deeper grooves at level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. Nokia always throws in the best sensors for their smartphones, but what about Nokia 6.1 Plus? Let's find out. Let's check whether the phone can recognize wet finger. Nope, it doesn't. Only ultrasonic fingerprint sensors recognizes wet fingers, like what we saw in Mi 5S and Mi Max 2. The sensor is not glass or ceramic. It can be scratched by my razor blade. Older Nokia phones' fingerprint sensors was coated with ceramic, but still the sensor works and recognizes the fingerprint. Nokia 6.1 Plus survived about 10 seconds under direct contact with flame. The pixels recovered after heat dissipation, and there was no burn left behind as it boasted an IPS LCD display. Expect a blue mark or burn if it is made up of AMOLED. The entire front is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, including the 16-megapixel front-facing camera with 1 micron and f2.2. The earpiece is made up of metal, unlike cloth we saw in previous Nokia mobiles. The earpiece is not flush to the display. There is a huge chance of dirt getting deposited in there. At back, the Android One logo and Nokia logo are all behind the glass. At top, we have 16-megapixel f2.2 sensor coupled with 5-megapixel f2.4 sensor, which is also protected by glass. The flash is covered by plastic. To the right, we have volume rockers, which is made up of metal, and the entire side frame is made up of metal. To the left, we have SIM card tray, which is also made up of metal. Again, the entire frame is made up of metal. To the top, we have 3.5mm headphone jack. At bottom, we have USB Type-C and speaker grills. Again, welcome to 2018. Will the Nokia 6.1 Plus survive a 2-minute water test? Let's find out. The device is so light, around 151 grams. You can see the phone gets moved just by pouring water. You can also see the ports showing connected to PC on notification bar. Also, the on-screen buttons is somehow being in contact as if someone is touching it inside the water. The phone works good still, no damage to display or camera, but still we can expect water damage issues in future. The speaker works completely fine without any problem. The sound you are hearing is from actual sound from the phone. This is the part you have been waiting for, the bend test. As usual, the Nokia phone shows is the bend test king. Couldn't even see a slight bend anywhere. And there was no damage to screen too. I almost gave up trying to bend the phone. It's because the motherboard and all other assemblies are made on an aluminum frame and then assembled with display and glass back. Here you're seeing me trying to bend the phone and later giving it up. Now let's do the drop test. Will it survive? Let's find out. Now let's drop the phone sidewards. There were no cracks or deformation in frame. Now let's drop the phone rear camera facing downwards. Again, no scratches or cracks at back panel. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Boom! There was a slight deformation and the shock impacted straight to the screen, leaving the display with cracks. Just because it's broken, now let's try the drop of dead for no reason. High amount of cracks as expected. Okay, should you buy the 6.1 Plus from Nokia? Definitely yes. Even though with glass sandwich design, the phone survived multiple drops. Used with good grade tempered glasses and case. Also, Nokia should have used this air cushion like metallic frame which could have evenly distributed the shocks when falling down. Also, check our Mi A2 and Poco F1 giveaway. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies high.